guys to a new video. So today we will be talking about the best times to trade Forex, really, as many people don't factor in the time aspect in trading. All right, so if you like this video, leave a like. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and also subscribe if you are new to the channel. All right, so let's get it started. What are the best times to trade Forex, really? And there's not really one best time to trade Forex, but you can have certain aspects that you can use to have better trading and better times and more structured way of approaching the Forex markets. As many traders just randomly trade at any really time. Okay, they trade at any time, and that can be a much more efficient way to it. All right, so let's start it. Most of the people know London session and New York session. Most of the traders are in London session. Okay, so most of the traders trade the London session, which is a very good session, as there's a lot of volume traded around the London session. Okay, we know many banks are open at these times, so the volume is very big. So it's not a bad idea to trade at those times. Okay, and of course there's the New York session as well, which many banks are open as well, and basically this is also a good time to be trading. You have the Asian session as well, but the Asian session is not that volatile, and also you don't have that much volume coming from the Asian session. So if you're starting, you can just basically focus on the London session or the New York session, or maybe trade both. But if you want to really have the sweet spot, okay, and basically find really the best times to trade, you can combine those two. Okay, so why shouldn't you start trading when both banks are open? Okay, so in London and in New York, which means there's a lot of volume coming into the market, and basically major players are active in the market. So what you can do is, instead of trading just the London session or just the New York session, you can trade the London-New York overlap. And if you basically go into your charts and back test it and see where the biggest movement starts, okay, and even on your own personal pair, all right, just take a look at it, and you will see that usually the London-New York overlap provides quite a lot of opportunity. All right, so you want to take a look at it and maybe start implementing it into your plan, because if you implement it in your plan, this could mean much less work. Okay, much less work, and eventually you have a more efficient way to approach the market, and eventually means as well less screen time and more money. Okay, so instead of just trading the London session, which basically the most opportunities start around 7 to 9 a.m. London time, okay, and the New York session, the best opportunities come around 12 to 3 p.m. okay, London time. Okay, so you can take that into consideration, look at your charts, back test it, and see how it works. But if you are at the New York session, all right, and you start at 12, then London is still open, and this means the most explosive moves can happen there. Okay, but that's to every individual trader. Okay, every individual trader is different. But if you really want to have much less work and more efficient work, less screen time and more money, you can look for the sweet spot, which is when these two overlap. Okay, so this was a very short video but I hope it was helpful for you guys to really understand which sessions are the best, and how you can structure your trading around these sessions and these times that I told you, 7 to 9 a.m. or 12 to 3 p.m. London time. Okay, you have to basically adjust it into your own time zone. All right, so have a good one. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.